Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I have a review from Beauty Big Bang, and this is going to be on these the prettiest little dry flowers to do an encapsulation with using gel polish. That's right. So here they are. They came in this little plastic wrap right here that I've already broken open to get them out because I went ahead and did an encapsulation on my ring nail here to have a little bit of practice before showing you guys. So here's the item number, but I will have it down in the description bar below, as well as my code NAQ57, which will give you a 10% discount off of any regular price items on Beauty Big Bang. Now let me show you, and I'll go ahead and bring you closer. Here's what these little flowers look like. Oh, they're so precious. So they were both, I had two clusters that were flat like this. Okay, so this is the second one. I'm trying to grab it. I had two like this. And so this one, let's get stuck to my tweezers. This is what's left out of me cutting this one. But it was just like that. It was another little cluster just like that, flat. And I just cut it to put it on that nail because I wanted to try to do something on the different nails. And then these are the itty bitty leaves that came in there. This one actually, this one that I put on my ring finger was one single leaf, and it was slightly too long, so I went ahead and cut it. So let me go ahead and demonstrate to you how to do encapsulation of this. And you will need, of course, so the base that I started out with, this is a gel polish, and this is one that I did a review on a long time ago from Beauty Big Bang. There's the swatch right there, and the name of this is, let's see, I think it's a number, yes, it's W09. It's a glitter bomb, you guys. I mean, let me show you. I love this. I'm so glad I finally got to use it. Look at that. And it really disperses that glitter very evenly. It has the so all the holographic glitters, and the base is that gold yellow. Okay, so yes, this is, I did 2 coats of this, and I went ahead and I'm going to do the encapsulation on my middle nail, so that's why I went ahead and buffed off the shine. And I do happen to have, you may use for the encapsulation, I will use gel top coat to apply it on the nail, and then get the flowers to you know set them down, and then I am going to cure, and then I am going to the encapsulation. You will want to do it with builder gel, and I happen to have this very convenient builder gel in a bottle by Gel in the Bottle. And this is a UK company. It's a UK product. I will have the link down in the description bar below if you guys are interested on that. But let me go ahead and move on to the tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so here is the final result after buffing and filing and finishing it up with my gel top coat. What do you guys think? And so yeah, the whole purpose of encapsulation is so that whatever you're encapsulating, and you can do this with glitters as well and other items, it gives it gives the appearance that it's inside. What I like to say is that it looks like it's inside a glass bottle or a glass container, because the finish is completely smooth. this is something that you could never accomplish with a regular polish. I mean, you can use your regular top coat like Sage Feed and load it with coats, but you're never going to achieve this glass look like you can achieve with Builder Gel. And this is, yeah, it's usually done over extended nails with gel overlays or acrylic overlays. But believe it or not, guys, yes, I've had this is a gel polish that I've actually had overnight over, yep, you guessed it, Beauty Big Bang's latex as a base. So I've had this one here overnight, and yeah, I'll be ready to peel them off. So I hope you guys learned something from this. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bangs for sending me these beautiful dry flowers to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.